Alright, greetings family. We're here at Sudu Akoma International Academy of Arts and Science. And we've been coming here since October 2011. We're here to continue the work of our sister.
Hello, Money. How are you?
Greetings sister.
Welcome.
Greetings, how are you?
Welcome.
Alright?
Hey, Irving. It's Irving, huh?
This is,
Irving?
that is Irvin Perry. That's absolutely correct. He's one of the person that returned. And this is, I want to show, this is from Pepe. I meant to ask you to open it.
Oh. I need Mama Joycelyn to do that one. So
Alright, perfect.
I'm going to defer to Mama Joycelyn for this one.
Alright, perfect. It's some good stuff in there in an envelope.
Joycelyn, wait.
Yes, family. We have a lot of our committed brothers and sisters that have made great donations to the school over the years, and this is a package full of, like I say, priority mail. Our priority mail brought it over here from our brothers and sisters from the diaspora who gave some great donations. Big up to my sister, Peppy Park, and all of the people who donated at our fundraiser. And big up to Natasha Ryan. Great work, my sister. Both of you sisters stayed back last year and did some wonderful work. And we're here continuing the energy and let you know we're back. We're back. Rock on to the drum beat. And family, our group is 38, but some of our members are still at the resort, enjoying the resort, and we're not able to make it here, but we keep them in spirit, and their supplies and donations are here in spirit. So this is our This is our 6th time here at this wonderful institute. From October 2011 to October 2016. What I want you to see family, is our dedication, our commitment to connecting and building with our future. And right, just been rolling with me since that time we started coming to the school, October 2011. This is our 6th time here.
Sure. I can see a lot of improvement.
Yes. And that's where the energy does, you know. The donations and everything, it's used to build and grow.